How to contact your Bank of America credit card online. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about contacting the Bank of America credit card online. So let's get started. So Bank of America prioritizes its customers' time and aims to streamline the customer service interactions. If you have questions about your Bank of America credit card, several options are available to connect with the customer care, ensuring a secure and convenient banking experience. To reach the Bank of America credit card support quickly, you have to call their toll-free number at 1-800-732-9194, which is available 24/7. For international assistance, you can use 1-757-677-4701 for collecting calls. If you have your credit card and the account details ready to facilitate the efficient assistance through the online and mobile app support, you can manage your account and contact the customer service through the Bank of America online platform or the mobile app. Log in and find Help or Contact Us option for secure messaging with your customer representatives, and the FAQ section addresses many common concerns as well. As per the chat services, for instant communication, Bank of America offers the chat services on your online account. Access the chat feature during the specified hour for the quick inquiries. While the direct email support isn't available, you can use the Bank of America secure messaging system within the online banking portal. For the face-to-face support, you can visit a Bank of America branch, use the branch locator tool on their website or the app to find nearby location, and always use the latest verified contact methods from the Bank of America's official website, and never share your personal details through the unsecured channels. Keep records of the communication with the customer service for the future reference, and reaching the Bank of America credit card customer care is easy with multiple options, including calling them, using the online tools, or visiting a branch. Prioritize your security and use verified channels for a safe banking experience. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching.